Alright, this is Eddie Seymour. This is the main going away from the building. This is after jetting. This was holding water earlier, but nobody's flushed anything since we just pulled all the water out of here with the jetter. So you can see how we've got an offset here, and then you'll notice the camera is going to drop down. So before we pull back, we'll run water in the bathrooms. And then this one, I've had to put a skid on the camera to be able to jump over this.
Pipe dropped.
So the pipe is dropped.
Turncoat.
Just the beginning of it. Do the beginning of it.
So this section here where it changes from the white PVC to the green, you can see the drop and then the step back up. So that section right there, that needs to be repaired. I would say that's approximately 2 to 3 feet long. And then we'll run the rest of the line. We actually found a manhole in the planter. The rest of the line looks like it's in good shape. That's another fern coat we passed. That one's dropping down, so not as big of an issue as the one that's providing the big lip. And then this is going to pop us where we're sitting right in the manhole right now. We're going to run some water and make sure there's not a belly coming back. Alright, so we got water coming. I'm going to start pulling back now. We'll see the water go past us. We'll get in that one area that was holding water before the jetting and see if we still have a belly in there. So this is where the belly was. We're going to let it drain and see if it drains down all the way. So we're coming out of the sag. So there's definitely a sag in the pipe. I'd recommend fixing the lip in the planter. That should help address anything that's coming through here before you start saw cutting concrete. It's not that long of a belly, but everything's nice and clean now. All the debris has been pulled out of it, so it should flow a lot better. But I would absolutely recommend getting the issue in that planter fixed. And we're back at the clean out. I'm going to go ahead and conclude this video.